Hi, my name is Daniel Marquard from Long Island, New York. Taking this drone course has been incredible. One of the golden nuggets that it's been sitting in my head since the first day is that no one knows who you are or cares who you are until you have something they want or need. That's important in this day and age because that's the truth. It's almost the same concept as no one ever has time until we decide to make time. So it becomes now a priority in my mind that I have to give something that you need in order for me to be recognized by you. And I think following that aspect, then you pay attention more to the hot buttons and the platitudes, and it definitely changes the aspect and the emotion and the attitude of the potential clients. And this is what this course is giving me. It's teaching me how to verbally or market-wise better present myself to future potential clients. And some of the clients I deal with are big Hollywood boys and girls.